Hello everyone, today we are making a masterboard. Let me quickly show you how I store some of my scraps. It's just boxes inside a box as dividers. I do it by size to avoid ripping big papers for a small piece. I will do the masterboard in this cardboard that I made into a folder, and this other recycled paper. I will use dried leaves, Mod Podge, and paint. So what's a masterboard? It's just a collage board that is used as background, journal cover, cards, frames, or any other craft. So let's start. Here I wrote my thought process basically to help you understand. I will explain each one as I go. First, big papers. These are anything to help you cover the main paper, and it will help to guide your design style, techniques, or colors. Here I used some dyed paper. Secondly, fill the spaces. This is literally just that. Adding paper in any area that needs it or that you feel like. Divide the paper. This is optional. It all depends if you know how you are cutting the paper, and it will help you design each part cohesively. For example, I want to cut the paper in 4 parts for journaling cards. Here I'm just looking for some paper that it's long that could work as a divider. This container works as my paper trash can. Whenever I'm doing a craft, any extra paper, I drop it in here to use it in other projects. As you can see, I'm not fixing any of the papers. I'm gluing them as they are, just to give it the scrappy look. That is why I like to get inspired by nature. When you take a closer look, everything is unmatched, uneven, but at the end ends up being beautiful. Fourth, add the details. This is the perfect time to add everything that you love. That can be more paper, thread, glitter, stamps, paint, stickers, or anything else you want. Since the paper is divided in 4, I can add the details evenly throughout the page. So a little story about me. I had my bachelor's degree as an administrative assistant about a decade ago. And here I am gluing my resume. It felt really good. It felt like letting go of my past and moving forward. It's not like I hated that career, but as a creative person, I don't think that was the best choice. And even though I'm not in a position right now related to my degree, but I do use my degree in my business, so I'm okay with it. I wanted to use these dried leaves because they are paper-like. Plus, I always like to integrate nature in my work. Remember, I wrote the process just as a guide, but you can do however you want it. This is a really distressing and freestyle activity. The final touch is some stamping. I used a clay toy for this. After all is dried, add glue all over the page. This wasn't completely dry, but that is okay. I did the same with the cardboard, and this is the results. I am in love with the folder. I had that idea in my mind for too long. Now you can use it to organize your bookmarks, cards, backgrounds. Let me know if you want a full tutorial of this folder. I hope this was helpful and inspiring. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this kind of content.